Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider. This video is actually brought to you by Sasha Clarko. She's one of our clients, and we recently just helped her to boost up her credit score to get pre-approved to buy her brand new home in Tennessee. And one of the things that she asked me to make this video, and it was dawning and actually enlightened me to actually make this video, because so many people that we come across that have low credit scores, a lot of people, they'll give us kickback because, usually to boost a person's credit score up, it's a process, it costs money, it takes time, and they usually give us a fight for it. And she said, hey Angelo, why don't you make a video about the cost of bad credit? What is the cost of having bad credit? And flip that thing on its head. Instead of saying, well, hey, why do I have to pay to fix my credit? Or, why do you need to have my credit score high to get a home loan? What is it actually costing you to have bad credit? And that's what I wanted to talk about today, because it's actually costing you 100 times more to have a low credit score than to spend the money to fix your credit. And this is an important video for you guys out there. If you have below a 680 credit score, you really need to be listening to this video, because it's important that you get your credit score up. I talked to an investor yesterday in length. He wants to build $2 million of multifamily properties here in Texas. He has no credit score. He has $300,000 for a down payment, but he has no credit score. And he says, well, in my country, we don't need credit. I said, that's not how it works in the United States. You have to have credit to get financing. For banks to be attracted to you, for you to get great interest rates, then you have to have credit. He was arguing with me because he had to pay a high rate because he has no credit score. I said, look, banks don't want to make a loan to you. You have no credit. You got to pay a high interest rate. That's how it works. It's just like that in the auto industry. It's just like that in credit card industry or any industry. So the key is, and the reason why I'm talking to you and making this video is because I want you to help you to get your credit score higher so you can get great rates. Okay? So why I'm telling this is that if you apply with us or any other lender and your credit's not where you want it to be, follow the plan that we send you. If we send you a credit booster plan, a credit action plan, follow that plan to the T to get your score up so you can get a great rate, so you can get a good loan, right? So you can get lenders to attract to you, right? It's just like in anything else in the world. If you want to be attracted by the opposite sex, you change your look, you change your, you make yourself look better, right? If you want to be attracted by banks, you got to fix your credit score, okay? So don't fight it. Accept it and embrace it and do what you have to do to get your credit score up. Lenders like 700 plus credit scores. The 800 is the highest, but lenders like 700 plus. If you got a 500 or 600 credit score, you got to work on it. And we'll help you with that. That's the great thing about our company. We'll make a loan to you and help you to get your credit score up, but you're going to have to follow the credit action plan to get your score up. I promise you, in the lifetime, the difference between having a 600 score and a 700 score is millions of dollars of interest. Okay, if you talk about mortgage loans, car loans, student loans, credit cards, for a boat, RVs, whatever it is, the difference in interest rates is massive. On a bad credit loan for a mortgage, you can go from 3% for a great credit. Bad credit's going to be 6 to 8%. Over a $300,000 loan, that's over $400,000 in interest. What about if you did it on your credit cards, your car payments, your student loans? It's over $1 million in interest that you're going to spend by having bad credit. And it might cost you a few $1,000s to fix your credit. It might cost you a few $100s to fix your credit. I don't know what it's going to cost. Everyone's different. But my point is, if you weigh the difference, if it costs you $1,000 to fix your credit, or do you want to spend $1 million in interest, which one would you rather do? So don't fight the stream, guys. If you got bad credit, the cost of having bad credit is millions of dollars. It's your freedom. It's your life. Don't accept bad credit. If someone's trying to help you, like our company, to fix your credit, embrace it, accept it, and fix your credit score so you can get a great loan, so you can get great rates, so you can have more affordable cost of living. So we help our clients. The takeaway is we'll help you to get your credit score where it needs to be to get the best funding. So call or text us. Great recommendation to make this video, Sasha. Really appreciate that. Call or text us at the number above. We can help you with any lending or credit at 832-431-6331. Share this with anyone you know that's looking to fix their credit and get a home loan. Very important video. And if you have any comments about videos you want us to make, leave those down below. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian. Take care and peace out.